we've been in Sofia for a couple days already. It's quite a walkable town. We walked probably 4 miles yesterday and 2 or 3 the day before. Seeing most of the sights downtown. And right now I'm on the Vitosha Street, and it's the main shopping area. I don't know if you can see it behind me back there, but there is a mountain at the end of the road. A lot of restaurants, cafes. It's really nice. It feels a lot like Ukraine or even Romania did to us. So it's quite common. Most people speak English, and so it's not a big language barrier. You can see on the main area here, it's a lot of newer buildings than a lot of the older 1920s, 1950s buildings are to the left and right of this main street. And I'm standing in the middle of the road like an idiot, but that's me. This church was supposedly built in the 10th century. Right here in the middle of town, there is a where they excavated for the metro station. They found an ancient Roman ruin here from about the 4th century. And it's just right in the middle of town here. You can walk right through it. And there's buildings right there. That's inside the subway, so you can actually see the excavation area, well, the ruins at least, from inside the subway terminal station. street's named George Washington Boulevard. The area where I'm at right now, there's a church not far up the road here behind me. There's also a synagogue, and there is a mosque. This area is well known for people of different backgrounds, cultures, religions living well together. You don't always see that, especially when they're so close to each other. But I'm going to walk through the primarily seems like Muslim area. A lot of Turkish and Middle Eastern type of stores and barbers and everything. So we'll give you a quick tour of that. It was like a pedestrian only area here. Some shops, but not as fancy as the ones on Vitosha Street.